Okay, I must point some things out to you about little Taiwan, this little but mighty country off the coast of China. In case you're unfamiliar with me, I've been to 127 countries and I'm on a mission to see them all. As a full-time traveler, I rarely come across countries that make me raise my eyebrow like, interesting. Taiwan has definitely done that. Being that I used to live in China for 4 years, I was so radically surprised as to how different Taiwan is to China. First of all, I must point out, Taiwan has a Hello Kitty fetish. Everything is Hello Kitty. Not complaining, absolutely love Hello Kitty. The other thing I realized is the vibe that Taiwanese people have. There's a really black kind of culture going on here. I really don't know how to explain it. Like, other than the obvious reasons, a lot of people have dreads. I think they're braided in. I think that the dreads are added to their hair. I'm not sure, but I've got to say I see about 50 people every single day with dreads and or kinky hair, which is really interesting. You will not see that in China. Let me tell you, the way, it's so mind-blowing how different Taiwan is to mainland China. They do hate each other. Taiwan and China hate each other. There actually is a pending war. I hope it does not break out while I'm here. But it's just so crazy how different they are. And so it occurred to me when I was traveling, is Taiwan like the black Asian people? Are they like the black Asian people? They're a very tiny population. They're their own people. They're not really mainland Chinese people anymore. They're kind of their own gig. And they've got a lot of culture here that you just do not see in China. Hold on. Also, let me point out the fact that, look at me, you guys. Look at me. This would not go down in China. Do you see anybody paying attention to me? I was literally purposely trying to get people to pay attention to me. Nobody looks at me. Nobody brings out a phone. Nobody points at me like I am an attraction at a museum. This would not happen in China. In China, it's like a gape or delay. You know when there's like a car accident on the highway? That's what it's like when you are a foreigner in China. People stop and stare. They're looking at you. Their babies are looking at you. They're pointing at you. I literally have a tattoo on my arm of saying foreigner because people used to point at me, foreigner, when I used to live in China, and it still goes on. I was just there. It's like a big deal. I can't get one person to stare at me in Taiwan, and I very clearly stick out. I haven't seen anybody that looks like me the entire time I've been here. Don't care about that. I'm not somebody who has to be around, you know what I'm saying? But I literally can't even get people to stare at me, which is very interesting. I love Taiwan. I'm trying to piece together where and why and how did this country come to be this way. Nobody cares about me. Even when I speak Chinese, people are just like, okay, boom. 这个几角？角4个50，9个100。好的。2个。2个。好的。25。Go girl. In China, when I speak Chinese, they're like, whoa, their brains are like, how can somebody possibly know our language? And the earth is ending. Here, when I speak Chinese, they're like, oh, hey girl. So yeah, I love Taiwan. Let's get into the vlog. You guys, I found another Hello Kitty 7-Eleven. Look at this. I love this papaya milk. So good. I kind of want it. I'm gonna go to 10 Ren. Look at this. Chicken rice. It was cold the last 2 days. And now it's really hot, really, really hot outside. I need something cold to drink. I'm on the hunt for some bubble tea. I got some jasmine green tea. And I cannot wait because it is so hot. 接下来 C'est ça?
I love the fact no one stares at me here. No one looks at me. Watch. If this were China, everybody would be looking at me and taking pictures of me. Here, nobody cares. I mean, some people are looking because I'm filming myself, but...
总共11排，坐第7排中间哦，这样子280。那饮料会爆米花吗？
你月亮，雅家媒体全省影厅广告代理0225。
For us, not for you. Don't worry. I'm taking you somewhere they will.
Oh my gosh. First of all, it's cold now. We should be making sweet potato bites. Sweet potato balls. No. Okay, I come out of the movie theaters, you guys. And one, it's cold. And two, oh, there's a million people out here that came out of nowhere. Oh, him again. No, I don't want to. I can't find him. Oh, there's free kimchi here. Kimchi. You guys, I'm at this really cool restaurant. up a matcha latte from the Hello Kitty 7-Eleven here in Taipei. US, step your game up, okay? 7-Eleven in the US, you need to step it up. You guys, I just got back from 7-Eleven. How stinking cute. Like, can you even handle this? I can't. And it's the brand of 7-Eleven coffee. I mean, matcha latte. But, I mean, there was coffee available. They've got, like, a cafe inside. I cannot handle this. Taiwan. I feel like Taiwan is all about Hello Kitty. I don't really get it. I don't understand. And it's funny because all the Hello Kitty stuff here is not for kids. Like, it's very much for adults. Taiwan is Hello Kitty absolutely crazy. Like, they've got an entire Hello Kitty airline. Everything's Hello Kitty. And it's funny because it's not like the people get sick of Hello Kitty. Like, they're dying over the Hello Kitty stuff here in Taiwan. It cracks me up. When I saw the Hello Kitty stuff, I had to put a Hello Kitty box on my website, and I went to pick up some more stuff from my boxes today. Like, can you even? These are Hello Kitty cookies. These go in my Hello Kitty box, available on my website. Like, can you handle the cuteness? Can you even? Hello Kitty chocolate cookies, Hello Kitty milk cookies, Hello Kitty butter cookies. Like, I can't. So yeah, I have a Hello Kitty box on my website. The thing is, like, I don't know what it is about Hello Kitty. I don't know. But everybody knows somebody who loves Hello Kitty. I know you know somebody who loves it. Your sister, your aunt, your cousin. And so I have a Hello Kitty box on my website. I think you should get my Hello Kitty box. Because the stuff here is just too adorable. Or if you've got a little kid, she would love Hello Kitty. So this Hello Kitty box, I stuff beauty and snacks. So Hello Kitty beauty products and Hello Kitty snacks in the Hello Kitty box, and shipping here directly from Taiwan. So it's available on my website. And actually it's doing really well. My Hello Kitty box is doing so well when I put it up. Like, I'm like, what is it? I need to know what it is about Hello Kitty that just makes her so iconic. There's nothing new about Hello Kitty, but she's just so likable and so adorable. And like, I can't with like this stuff, like these cookies. Like, I genuinely cannot handle it. And these are little individual cookies. Like, I can't handle the Hello Kitty everything here in Taiwan. It's just so cute. So yeah, my Hello Kitty box is available on my website if you want something cool from Taiwan and a way to support my travels. Even if you don't want to support my travels, you should get yourself a Hello Kitty box. So anyways, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. It's about 4 p.m. So I'm about to put together a bunch of these Hello Kitty boxes and head to the post office and ship some off. So I don't really have much else to film today. What a hidden gem. Like, I don't know, Taiwan doesn't get that much play, but what a hidden little gem. This country, everyone is so nice. I feel like today I was saying like, I feel like they're like the Black Asian people. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but they just have a blackness to them. Black meaning Black American. We did a whole video about this. What does black mean? For me, the black means you're American, right? You are the black version of American people. We've got black version. We've got white people in America. We've got black people. And the reason we're called colors is because you really can't call us by a country, because we're not really connected to any other roots anymore because we've been so mixed up. So to me, black means Black American. To me, if you're from a country, you are that country. If you're from Somalia, you are Somalian, you know. If you're from Ethiopia, you're Ethiopian. If you're from Kenya, you're Kenyan. If you are from the US and your skin is like this, you're black. We're not going to open up that can of worms again. So that's what I mean. I feel like Taiwanese people are the Black Asians, like the black version of Asians. Because like, they're not Chinese anymore. They're not really Chinese anymore. I don't know. It doesn't make 100% sense. But I just feel like they're the black version. Because they've got this blackness to them. I really can't explain it though. And they're so kind. They're so warm. No one blinks at me. Nobody blinks at me. No one stares. No one's doing this. Like in China, oh my gosh. In China, oh my gosh. In China, the looks and the and the, you know, the staring and the photos, it's just a lot. Here, nobody blinks at me at all. So I don't know. I feel like they're the black version of Asians. Are they the black Asians? I don't know. That is a compliment, by the way, if you're Taiwanese.